Baby dolls, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, this is a hair video. I am showing you guys a beautiful unit by Klaiyi hair once again. You guys know I love this hair brand. I'm always working with them and they always deliver great quality hair. So as always, I'm showing you guys the hair right out of the packaging. Of course, I like to show you guys everything I received inside of the box. You do receive an HD wig cap, which I am wearing right now. You do receive some hair clips, which I definitely love, and it always comes out handy. Some false press on nails, and of course the band for the lace. This helps for the meltdown and to also just keep your lace in good condition. Of course, I'm ready to show you guys the start of the show. As you guys can see, this is their 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. So I feel like this is going to be an easy install. This is what the hair looks like right out of the packaging, y'all. It's so soft, and look at the flow of this hair, y'all. It's so pretty. This is what the lace looks like up close and personal. You do get a part in the middle already for you, which I love. So it's already parted for you. The knots are very small, which give the illusion of a real scalp, and the lace is pre-plucked for you, so that's a plus. Like, we love that. Less work for us. And also the lace is pre-cut, so like save you so much time. The texture is a light texture Yaki. I like the texture, of course, because it mimics my real hair texture a lot, y'all. I feel like us ladies, us black women especially, should start wearing Yaki texture because it just looks more realistic for us, and it just mimics our real hair texture so much. I love how the lace pretty much melts with my skin, so as you guys can see, it's giving like a real, even without my hand being on it, skin to skin, you can see that that looks realistic, like so realistic. It looks like scalp all the way. Okay, y'all, like look how good that looks. So the knots, you cannot see, they're super small, which gives, like I said, the illusion of a realistic hairline. This is what it looks like. The lace looks already tinted, so that way it melts with any skin texture. And this is the construction of the unit. You get a lot of space of lace. This is a 7x5, so that's how much room you get. You do get the band inside of the unit that you can adjust. It is stretchy, and this is really good to make sure that your wig is going to be locked down and secured. In the back here, you still get your adjustable straps too as well, so that's even more security. And then you get this elastic drawstring in the back, which gives double security. I'm going to talk about that more in the video, but look how easy that pretty much is to do. I'm going to show you guys how to do it more in the video, but I'm actually glad it comes with this. You're going to be able to do updos and ponytails and things like that with this type of elastic drawstring being in the back. It just helps in so many ways. But enough talking, I'm going to go ahead and try the wig on so you guys can see what it's looking like. So y'all, I was talking right here, but I had to take an important call, so that's why my mouth is running. But I did want to say for this part of the video, I was looking at it and it looks really good. You can part it literally wherever you want to part it. I know this is a 7x5, but you are not limited to parting where you want to part it. So wherever you part, it is plucked for you, and it still looks like, you know, scalp. So I love that, and I don't have to pluck my part wherever I want it to be. So that's a plus for me. Okay, y'all, so the wig is on and it feels very secure. I like how it looks. You can take out your real hair, like how I have a little bit of hair right here on the end, because this is where the lace stops right here. The lace stops about right here, and then you have like, you know, of course, the wig, but you can take out your real hair if you want to on the edges. You also don't have to wear any glue. Like, you literally don't have to. It lays down really nice. I am going to put a little bit of foundation right here in the front, just a little bit, so that it can blend. You can use like lace tint or like spray, but I'm going to use a little bit of my brush just to put it around the edges so that it can just melt. It's really just the edges of the lace that I want to do. So if you want to use some sort of glue, I would suggest just using some spray, because I feel like with the spray, it's lightweight and you don't need any like really harsh like hard glue. The lace is pulling up just right here, so I'm just going to lay a little bit of my spray down. It's just some extreme spray hold. This is what I use on my glueless wigs when I feel like I don't need too much, because it's so quick and easy. And usually with glueless wigs you don't need too much. Sometimes you just want to spray it in certain areas where you feel like it will lift. Other than that, it lays down really good, y'all. Like, it lays really flat and I don't need any glue, so yeah, I just wanted to make sure I say that. It looks really good and natural. All right, the lace is down, so it's not going nowhere. I really feel like it won't go nowhere either way. Like, it really is secured. So this wig has double security, especially for with the elastic band being in it. In the back, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the back. I love how this hair is super full, as y'all can see, and it's long. I love the length on here. I don't think I've had a Yaki wig that's this long, I don't believe. This is supposed to be 24 inches, but this almost looks like 26 inches. I'm going to part it to the side. As you guys can see, I'm using a comb and it's going right through. The hair does not mat up or anything like that. This is what it looks like on the side. I don't know how to pluck. That's so good, y'all. I hate plucking. Like, plucking hair just takes so much time. So I am going to use a little bit of hair polisher. This is just going to give the hair some extra shine. This hair does have its own luster, but I like to use a little bit of polisher on my hair just to give it even more that, you know, polished look. And now I'm going to quickly flat iron through the hair so you guys can get a look at it. But so far, I can literally walk outside like this and I wouldn't have a problem with it. Getting even more straighter. This, like I said, this is a Yaki texture, so it definitely has its natural thickness to it, so you don't have to worry about density. Yaki hair has density naturally, okay? So look how bomb that looks. Like, I feel like the more I straighten it out and put heat to it, the more silky it gets, soft it gets, and like more straight out it gets. So you guys can see up close the texture, how it looks. It looks so realistic to my real texture. Like, this is the side that's flat ironed, and then this is the side that's not, so you guys can see the difference. This is what it looks like. You guys can see, super soft. You can put this hair in a ponytail. That would be so cute in a pony. Like, look how that looks. But I'm going to show you guys the back. This is what it looks like. You have this drawstring, and all you gotta do is pull the hair, pull it as tight as you could to your comfort. You're gonna make sure everything is tucked, And then you're going to tuck this part to the string. And once you tuck that string, it looks natural. So you guys can't see the back of my hair. I feel like because my hairline, my hair matches with the hair texture, that looks even more natural. I like it because in some cases with some wigs, sometimes you can have open space in the back. I know a lot of people have, definitely if you wear wigs, you know what I'm saying. Sometimes wigs can come too big for your head, so sometimes you can have an open space in the back where you can see the track and you can see the band in the back, you can see everything, so nothing is showing. It's literally seamless. And also you can play around with it, you can do updos, you can ponytails with the hair, and it looks natural. Okay, it looks natural all the way around, and it looks very clean and neat. So that's something that you can do. Just some advice on how you can use the elastic band and how it just comes as that double security for you, okay? And it looks very neat and clean, so I love that. It's just good for so many things. Let me know y'all thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, until next time, I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Bye.